Hey Frameworks friends! June 6th and 7th were the famous days of the Cruise Ship Interiors Expo, located in our home of Miami, Florida. This year, our theme was essentially Frameworks World. With 4 rooms in our World of Frameworks booth, each room was a different theme. From concept to crate is one of our famous Frameworks sayings. This room was the Creation Room, a beautifully created art piece done by our graphic designer Pete with a little splash of plexiglass to give the room an extra pop, decorated the walls of the space. This was a hot selfie spot. Our Floral Explosion Room represented concepts. You give us a concept and we come up with a killer idea and an amazing image. This room attracted the most pictures and selfies. We also had a video playing that showed our Frameworks portfolio. Moving on to our next room, Curation. Going back to our roots as a small frame shop, this room represented nostalgia. Along with nostalgia came proof that you can frame literally anything. Like we say at Frameworks, the possibilities are limitless. Framing anything can turn it into an art piece. Everyone was obsessed with the old vintage nostalgic vibe of this room. We topped it off with a couple accessory books and jars to give people a look into the accessory service we also supply. Our fourth and final room was crating. In this room, we showcase how Frameworks actually has their own crating department. We showed how we build custom crates for our clients, and we had an interactive activity for those passing by to participate in. We had a plethora of affirmation stickers for anyone to plaster to the crate room walls. Along with our sticker activity came a new set of our famous deck of cards. Overall, this year's CSI show was a massive success. Along with the joys of seeing old friends came meeting new friends and potential long-lasting relationships with other businesses. We're already excited for next year and wanted to thank everyone who stopped by the booth for a hug, a high five, a deck of cards, a selfie, a sticker, or just a chat. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. As always, be limitless. Love, Frameworks.